Welcome to TinkerSpace. Today, let's make luggage monitoring system. Here, we use IR proximity sensor as the input, and its function is to monitor the luggage. Here, we use buzzer as the output, and its function is to alert us. Now, let's do the connection. Here we have connected IR proximity sensor to the brain board in input 1. And here we have connected the buzzer to the brain board in output 1. Here we have finished the hardware part. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will choose Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here, I added IR proximity sensor as input 1, and in output 1, I added buzzer. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only. Click on Select this condition. In the input 1, sensor off. In buzzer, I will select A, on or off. And the tone I will keep in 100%. Now click on Save Settings. And in input 1, sensor on. In the buzzer, I'll leave it in Do Nothing. Now click on Save Settings. Now here the basic code is done. Here in the luggage monitoring system, in the input 1 sensor off means the IR proximity sensor is not detecting any object. And in input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object. Here in the coding, the input 1 sensor off. In the buzzer, the IR proximity sensor is not detecting any object. So the buzzer will turn on. So we kept it 100%, indicating that the luggage is not there. And in the input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of a luggage. So we kept in Do Nothing. Why we kept in Do Nothing is that if the thief put the luggage there, if the thief put the luggage again, so the buzzer will turn off. So we kept it in Do Nothing, so that even if the thief leave the luggage on its original place, the buzzer will not gonna turn off. So this is how the project works in the luggage monitoring system coding. After the code, click on Save Code. Here the generated code has been successfully saved. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
We have uploaded the code. Now let's test the project. We have tested the model and it's working properly. Now let's implement it in the model. We have completed the model of our project. Over here, we have placed the eye proximity sensor behind the luggage, and here we have added the buzzer so that we can be alert. Now let's see a demo. Once if somebody tries to steal the luggage, the buzzer turns on. And even if you try to keep it back, it won't turn off.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code for me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.